boys and girls, and welcome to Chords and Guitar. We have Ericdoa, I believe that's the name there. Deserves more attention. This song is called Sweet Tooth. So it's basically a song with two different chords. We're gonna look at different techniques here. So let's do this together. We have the capo high up here on the 7th fret because we want the high notes combined with the best chords possible for this one. So capo on 7th. Okay, so with the capo set there, we're gonna take a look at the chords. So it's A sharp major 7, like this, and you're gonna alternate that with the F major 7, like that. All right. So the first one, A sharp, it's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 1st fret. You don't have to bar all strings, not the last E here. So 5 strings from bottom up. That's what's needed. And then you need to add 3rd on D, 2nd on G, and 3rd on B. All right, this nice soft chord, A sharp major 7. You're gonna combine that with the F major 7, and we're gonna prolong that chord a little bit with an extra note here. It goes 3rd on A, then 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. All right, so you're gonna alternate between these two chords. Now, let's take a look at the basic strumming pattern. So let's go back to the A sharp. Grab that one. This one, strumming here, will be 2 different parts, all right? We need to play this strumming in 2 different parts because we need to separate it later. So 1 full round will sound like this. All right, so the first part is the first 2 downs. So down, down. That's the part 1. And the part 2 will be up, up, down, down, up. Okay? So down, down, up, down, down, up. Right? So if you combine this, it will be right? So that is how you play the strumming here. You're gonna play the A sharp major. You're gonna play that for 1 full string around plus part 1. Okay, so it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. All right, so. Yeah, not the just part 1 in the 2nd round there, sorry. It's all down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. And then you're gonna play this still same chord here, but you're gonna go down here to the 3rd fret on the E string and have that note, this note, and play part 2. So together this A sharp chord will be about 2 full rounds, but you're gonna play the just plain A sharp first full round plus part 1, and then on the second part, part 2 here, you're gonna go down and add this note down there. So together everything will sound like this for 2 rounds. All right, and really have to emphasize the E string there to really get that note with you. All right, so you're gonna do that, and then you're gonna go to the F major and just play 2 plain rounds. So and that is one version of it. The second version is to add a clap here into the song, into the strumming here. So it could sound like this for 1 round. So what you do here is to play the clap on the 2nd down in part 1. So down, clap. And then you continue with up, up, down. And then after the up, up, down, you hit the clap there. And then down, up. So you play the same strumming pattern here. Replace the 2nd down with a clap, and then you play the 2nd clap there after the up, up, down. There you have the clap, and then fulfill the strumming with the final down up there. So one round is. All right. And yeah, that is pretty much how I handle Ericdoa's Sweet Tooth. So I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, feel free to leave a comment on this tutorial here, and subscribe if you haven't yet. So thank you for watching, guys, and all the support. I really appreciate that. So play tuned.